You had a tear?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened?
They get me out. Pond.
Daddy got you out of the pond?
Yeah.
Did you fall in?
Yeah.
How? Oh, like that?
Yeah.
So you were standing, throwing rocks in, and then what happened?
Get water.
You got in the water?
Whoa. I throw rocks.
You threw rocks?
Yeah.
And then what happened?
In the pond.
You got in the pond?
Yeah.
And what happened with your shoe?
It's gone, Mommy.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Where did it go?
What Piper, Mommy?
Harper's in the car. What happened to your shoe?
It's gone, Mommy.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Did it float down the creek?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. So no more pink shoe, right?
Yeah.
Maybe it'll come across somewhere. Well, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's what matters, right?
I keep going, Mommy.
You kept going?
Yeah.
Kept going where?
To Kodak.
Oh, you kept going to the cul-de-sac?
And then you want to go Kodak.
You didn't want to go to the cul-de-sac?
Yeah.
Why not?
'Cause.
Why?
And then down deep.
Fell asleep?
No.
No. What did you do?
Laying down.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you had a fun adventure with Daddy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you like to do that again sometime?
Like.
You're all wet and crazy.
What the